Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make a simple gluten-free vegan pie crust. To a bowl I've added some ground flaxseed and water, and I'm just mixing this all together until it's well combined. The next thing I'm adding is salt and ground sunflower seed. The last ingredient I'll add to this is oat flour, and this is just gluten-free oats that I have put into a coffee grinder and ground it down into a fine flour. I'm going to mix the oats in, and then I'm going to use my hand to knead the dough, the mixture into a dough, and then I'm going to roll it out and pop it into my baking dish. This is the completed pie crust. The recipe can be found on my website. Thank you for watching.